holsters for personal carry sidearms have two basic requirements. They must allow you to draw your weapon quickly. They need to store your weapon securely and safely when not being used. The new Swipe MQR holster from Allen Company combines those attributes using their patented magnetic sliding retention system in a way never seen before. Swipe MQR holsters release in 50% less time than traditional snap and locks instantly using a scientifically designed magnetic locking bond. This bond creates a locking force that can only be reversed from one direction. Swipe MQR retention system holsters come in 18 of the most popular handguns. Traditional snap formats are obsolete.